I think it's important because it increases the odds that President Biden actually will be able to get a nominee confirmed to the Supreme Court. If there had been additional delays and if Justice Breyer had waited until, let's say, the fall with the midterm elections coming close, or waited until after the midterm, there was a chance that President Biden wouldn't be able to confirm a successor to Justice Breyer to the Supreme Court. We're likely to hear some complaints about how there is a looming election coming up in the next 9 months. Of course, everyone knows that's not a real objection, given that Republican senators confirmed Justice Amy Coney Barrett to the Supreme Court as the 2020 presidential election was already underway and absentee ballots had already been cast. We also might hear some complaints about any particular nominee and how they have views or do not abide by a view of the Constitution that Republican senators like, but that is just a way of saying that there is a president from the opposing political party in charge of selecting the justice. So, those complaints are going to be pretty standard, but shouldn't amount to much. Justice Breyer will stay on the Supreme Court to hear all of the cases that the court has scheduled for arguments this term, which will end in June. And then the Senate could confirm his replacement over the summer before the Supreme Court starts its next term in October of 2022. Now, the Senate could get those hearings underway before this term actually finishes, but it's extremely likely that Justice Breyer will stay on the Supreme Court to finish out the term and hear the cases that the court has granted for this term. And then there will be a successor named and a successor confirmed before the start of the next Supreme Court term. I think they will describe him as a forever optimist and pragmatist. He was someone who always believed in the possibility of compromise, and the idea that our government should be a government that works and that works for everyone. And I think that those through lines are really evident in many of the different cases that he decided.